if the numerator contains any linear expression while the denominator contains any quadratic expression with or without radical, then drive out x by making it as the derivative of quadratic expression. If the numerator contains any linear expression while the denominator contains any quadratic expression with or without radical, then drive out x by making it as the derivative of quadratic expression. यदि न्यूमरेटर में लीनियर एक्सप्रेशन हो, डिनोमिनेटर में क्वाड्रेटिक एक्सप्रेशन हो, रूट के भीतर या रूट के बाहर, तो हम लोग x को ड्राइव आउट करेंगे डिनोमिनेटर में जो है उसका डेरिवेटिव करके, ठीक है. ड्राइव आउट एक्स बाय मेकिंग इट एज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक एक्सप्रेशन. तो क्वाड्रेटिक एक्सप्रेशन का डेरिवेटिव करते हुए एक्स को ड्राइव आउट करेंगे. That's it. Then the sum is here. Example sum I am taking here. You just see 2x plus 3 is the linear expression and the quadratic expression is under root 1 plus x minus 2x square. This is in the quadratic form and numerator is equal to, as I told you, numerator is equal to lambda into ddx of denominator, lambda into ddx of denominator plus mu. Yeah, numerator is here 2x plus 3 lambda and this is ddx of denominator is 1 plus x minus 2x square plus mu. Then this will be lambda into the derivative 1 is 0 and this is 1 minus 4x plus mu and this will be lambda 2x plus 3 is equal to lambda this becomes, as we shall multiply it, minus 4x lambda plus mu, and by comparing coefficients of like power of x, like powers of x, we have here 2x is equal to minus 4x lambda and this 2 cancel out, x cancel out, so lambda is equal to minus 1 by 2. I got this value. Now comparing this with this, lambda plus mu is equal to 3, and lambda is minus 1 by 2 plus mu is equal to 3. Then mu is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2. Then this will be 2 is the required LCM. 3 2 ja 6 plus 1. No, or mu is equal to 7 by 2. Then this becomes mu is equal to 7 by 2, and this become lambda is equal to minus 1 by 2. So we got here two values. Now from there, in the place of numerator, that means 2x plus 3, I will put this value in this expression. I will put these values in this expression, and you just see here how it becomes. Then finally, therefore, this become the required integral here, the given integral here. Lambda is here minus 1 by 2. So I will put here minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and this expression will be minus 1 by 2, as I have written here in this expression, minus 1 by 2. Finally, the expression will be here. Actually, this lambda into denominator, lambda into ddx of denominator, that means I got this value, and lambda is here, 2x plus 3 is this, lambda we got, lambda into ddx of denominator, that means we got this value. Little bit I am explaining this, lambda into 1 minus 4x plus mu, that is 2x plus 3 here. So lambda is minus 1 by 2, and this is 1 minus 4x, agree, plus 1 minus 4x, this is 1 minus 4x, 1 minus 4x, and lambda plus mu, as I have compared this, numerator is equal to lambda into ddx of denominator, lambda into 1 minus 4x plus mu, the value of mu is here 7 by, the value of mu is here 7 by 2, and this is under root 1 plus x minus 2x square dx. So this is dx and this is dx. Okay, so as we shall simplify, when we shall simplify it, then it becomes minus 1 by 2, and this becomes 2x, and 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 7 by 2 and minus 1 by 2, and this is 2, 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. So this becomes 2x plus 3 here. When we shall evaluate this, we shall get the value at 2x plus 3. So I have broken this 2x plus 3 in this form for evaluating the integration on method of substitution. You just see here minus half, minus of I will separate it this as the two integral here, minus 1 by 2, and this becomes 1 minus 4x divided by under root 1 plus x minus 2x square dx, and this becomes 7 by 2. I will take out of the integral, and this is dx divided by under root 1 plus x minus 2x square. So this becomes two integral here. I becomes here minus 1 by 2 I1 plus 7 by 2 I2. So I will evaluate this I1 and I2 separately. You just see here, this I2 is this I2 is this, and here is this is I2. Clear? This is I2. You just see I2. I have already explained. I have written here because I have explained just before before this session, previous session. I have explained. You can verify from there. Okay, this sum I have done in the previous session. You can verify from there and tally this. So I2 has been already evaluated by me. No need to require to evaluate again. Okay. So I will evaluate I1. So I1 I am going to evaluating here. You just see I1 is here 1 minus 4x, sorry, 1 minus 4x divided by under root 1 plus x minus 2x square. Put dx. Okay. So when I will put v is equal to 1 plus x minus 2x square. So dv is equal to 1 minus 4x dx. So directly I am getting here 1 minus 4x dx is equal to dv, and this becomes v, this becomes under root v, sorry, that is equal to that is equal to v to the power minus half dv, because this is in the under root, that means its power is 2. It will go to the when it will go to the numerator, the power becomes minus half. So as I will evaluate this, integrals, we have here, finally we have here v to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1. So we shall get here as we subtract half from 1, we shall get here v to the power half, and this similar operation I will go through here. So this become also half. This 2 will go up in the place of numerator, and 2 v to the power half, that means 2 under root v, and as we have integrated this, we shall put here constant c1, and here we shall put the constant c1, and here we shall put the constant c1, and here we shall put the constant c1. Now return the value of v. So finally it becomes 2 under root 1 plus x minus 2x square plus c1. Clear? So now we shall give the value whatever I got here, that is equal to this becomes the value of this integral. Okay, finally the integral I2 is I got here, I1 is I got here. Okay, so I1 is here, because the space is little, so I am just deriving this pen to understand. Sticks will follow the sticks. So this will be, I got here, the expression is I is equal to minus half of I1 plus 7 by 2 I2. Okay, so minus half I1 I got here 2 into under root 1 plus x minus 2x square, and 7 by 2 I2 I already got 1 by root 2 sine inverse 1 by 3 4x minus 1 sorry, and this is plus c, and this has been cancelled out. That means finally left minus, sorry, minus, this has been cancelled out. Then finally we got we got we got minus under root 1 plus x minus 2x square plus we shall rationalize this 7 by 2 root 2, but when we shall rationalize it, 7 by 2, as you just see here, 7 by 2, when I will rationalize 1 by root 2 here, root 2 will go up and it will down, because I have to avoid root in the denominator. That is why, to avoiding this, I have to I have to go through the rationalization. Root 2 divided by 2. That means 7 by 2, 7 by 2, and this becomes root 2 by 2, root 2 by 2, 7 by 2 root, and this becomes root 2 by 2 sine inverse, sine inverse, sine inverse, sorry, sine inverse, sine inverse, this becomes 1 by 3 4x minus 1, finally this is plus c. So little bit I have to increase this curve to make it separate, separate, and that's all. Minus under root 1 plus x minus 2x square plus 7 by 2 into root 2 by 2 sine inverse 1 by 3 4x minus 1 plus c, 7. This is the final answer. That's all.